Today I'm going to show you how to download Audacity without Muse step by step so you can get the installer directly from the official website and avoid any extra software you may not want. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to audacityteam.org. This is the official Audacity website, so it's the safest place to download the program. Once the page loads, look for the Download Audacity without Muse button on the homepage and click it. Click that button to begin the direct installer download. Your browser will then start downloading the setup file to your computer. When the download is complete, open the file to run the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Then just follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation. In most cases, that means clicking Next, accepting the license agreement, and waiting for the setup to complete. Once the installation finishes, you can launch Audacity and start using it right away, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Audacity without Muse using the direct official installer. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful software guides.